Back here with another look at Popcats. What a scare in the market last night, right? What a dump over on Bitcoin. Let's take a look here. We just took a look at Caspa. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Boy, Caspa went down to 7.5 cents. That's the Caspa versus Bitcoin dominance is what that chart is right there. But if we head over to Bitcoin itself, and what I find kind of interesting, right? Bitcoin's back up 3,500 bucks. If we zoom in here, it's this chart, that next one down. We were looking for an ABC correction and a pullback on Bitcoin to about 93.3. All right, that's what we had here, right down to this box down here. Okay, that's what we were looking for, right inside here. And some people call me crazy in the comments. You know, sometimes I don't know. Sometimes these these things here people think are caused by the news. Maybe the news had something to do with some of the price action, but I can show you numerous stuff that kind of works out to the way the charts were supposed to go anyway. All right, on a 12-hour here, don't look much different than these moves over here, right? These pullbacks, perfectly normal. You had a wedge in here also that broke down. Okay, so you had numerous stuff here that pointed to a downside move, especially this ABC correction in here, and this massive push up here. This is on a 12-hour chart. Each one of these candles represents 12 hours. All right, and the ABC pulled it down. We had a target around 93.3, ended up going down to about 91,000 bucks. All right, getting a very nice retracement here out of Bitcoin. The big area is going to come up right here. All right, about 105, call 105.4. That is going to be a massive question answered right there. Okay, let's turn this a little bit different color here. About green. Does green show up decent in here? Yeah, leave it the way it is then. All right, got to be a huge area to get through. Bitcoin needs to get through there. All right, that's your 702 Fibonacci level, and this green line right here. All right, and that would get it through. Then you'd be looking for about 118. Okay, if we get through this box here. So we'll see what happens with that. Over on the crypto bubbles here, you can see Fart Coin has actually had the biggest bounce back today. We also had a short in that over there in Discord. That there's for the week, or the month. We went the day. So if you want to join our Discord, guys, we have almost 200 people in there. We long and short the market basically every day, numerous times a day. We had a lot of shorts, a lot of winners in the short game. Solana, Solana, Trump, Popcat, and those were all some of our shorts. We nailed it. We nailed them, man. We had some big winners this week. We had a very good week out there. Today, Aave, we had an Aave long, and a few other ones. XRP, some people took. I didn't put that out. Caspa had some nice runs, some nice winners. I don't know. 8 out of our last 10 have been winners, something like that. You lose trades. That's the way it goes. This is, there is nobody out there that wins them all. 8 out of 10 is very, very good. If you win 5 out of 10, that's good. As long as your entries are good and you cut your losses, let your winners go and let them run. Don't. Move your stop loss up into profit if you get nervous, but let them run, man. You do that for a reason, to outgun your losers, right? Make money. Some of my best trading, I've said this before, has been off of pattern trading. Trading falling wedges, head and shoulders, cup and handles, inverse head and shoulders, falling wedges, rising wedges, but bull flags, stuff like that. Some of my big winning streaks have come off of pattern trading. I love trading patterns. That's my thing. I love it. So, anyway, Fartcoin, the biggest winner there today. If you want to join that Discord, sign up for level 3 membership. It's only $15. You get over 10 hours of videos to learn how to chart, how to use the Fibonacci, how to set up TradingView, all that. And I just made a buy me a coffee thing. Thought it was pretty cool. So if you like what I do on the channel, there's a link in the description of the video. You can come over here and put in whatever you want, $2, whatever, whatever you would like. Every bit helps. I don't get the big views. So if you don't sign up for a membership, which I would suggest if you're going to buy me a coffee, spend the extra few bucks and get a membership, and get the videos and come over to Discord and learn some stuff. You won't regret it, I'm telling you. Definitely we got a very, very great bunch of people over there, man. Some very, very good traders. All right, now here on Popcat, you can see you have a resistance line coming down through here. All right, if this gets broke, look out, this thing's gonna run. All right, it starts through here, comes down. It looks like we're just about on it. Well, you actually have one out through here. Okay, that's the big one. That's the one you want to break out through there. Let's get this one up here straightened out. Oop. Lagging a little bit. I apologize. I believe. Pull this up here. There we go. Okay, yeah, break of that. Coming right up against the weekly support level, right at about 27.5 cents. All right, looks like it's going to get in there. That's going to be a huge, huge area for Popcat to break. If it breaks, that's very, very good for Popcat. That's very good news. All right. You can also see down through, you almost have a a pattern. Well, not a pattern coming down through here, but a path coming down through here. You have a high, a low, you have a high. This one didn't go as low here. This one down here, a high. It's coming down to a low again. This one here, a low. Then you have a higher high. Okay, you have this high here is higher than this high over here on the hourly. So you got your higher high in there. That's good to see. All right, definitely. But you want to see a breakout of this 27.5. That's going to be the big area to take out in here. As far as the fib goes, let's pull this down a little bit so we can go right from here. You would expect it to break that level. Get back up here into 618702. That's the first targets I'd look for. This was for our short. See this wedge over here? This wedge right here? We had a target down here, 0.2874. All right, which it broke the wedge, ran back up, retested, and then just plummeted down here. All right, you had 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wasn't expecting it to go down that far though. All right, so let's get this out of there. Get this out of here. That was a winner. Man, if we wouldn't have known it was going down this far. I took a 50x on Popcat. All right, I had a very good entry when this broke. I had to actually get back in up here on this retest of this upper resistance line. But that would have been to ride that the whole way down, that would have been huge, a huge win. But for this first area for Popcat, I would watch for a retracement, at least back up to these levels up in here. Almost everything out there is doing the same pattern back up. Okay, I think if it breaks this 27.5, I think this thing's really going to fly. And on an hourly, you can see a wave count better. There you go. You see it? For those of you out here that watch the channel consistently, you know what I'm talking. You have one of two things going on. Either you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, or you have a 1 right there, here, a 2, and this is working on a 3 now. All right, we'll see what happens here. Maybe a 3 up to the 27.5. rejected, pullback, then a 5 up to the box up here, maybe something like that. But looking for up to 29 to 30 cents up into this range, and then we'll see what happens after that. Hopefully that is just the first push up, then an ABC, and then we'll see what happens after that, right? But looking for Popcat to get up here 29, 30 cents, right? That is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, right? But that's retracement levels right up into there. Have a great day, everybody. I will talk to you very, very soon. Thanks.